Yeah. When you have a dream, you never stop fighting for it. Just raise your hands up. Ain't gotta back down. Reach for the sky, man. Yeah.
No need to look from side to side. All you gotta do is hold your head up high. Reach for the sky. Reach for your dream. Keep in your mind. Believe from within. No need to look from side to side. All you gotta do is hold your head up high. Reach for the sky. Reach for your dream. Keep in your mind. You're doing what's right.
Down for down, we pack a punch like Manny. Round per round, we don't stop like Manny. Metaphors rhyme spit, feel without a mouthpiece. Throw the towel in, we unanimous without reach. Who's the wrong artist? A hater who's careless. We never give elbows, we only give our best. We the true artists, there's no contest. We never sabotage, we say thank you and God bless. And the reason why I'm singing this song, so we propel ahead to a better dimension. We'll never wait too long, we never fail to deliver. We got a faith so strong, we'd be okay forever. You know you never ever see us divide. We so fly, we so high, we could reach the sky. As cliche as it may sound, we don't die, we just multiply.
No need to look from side to side. All you gotta do is hold your head up high. Reach for the sky. Reach for your dream. Keep in your mind. Believe from within. No need to look from side to side. All you gotta do is hold your head up high. Reach for the sky. Reach for your dream. Keep in your mind. You're doing what's right.
Every dark cloud is a silver lining. Don't you stop now, never hinder fighting. Thunderclap sounds with the clash of the titans. But don't you back down like the last of the Lycans. We're gonna rise the same way in daybreak. We're gonna kick it like it's playday with Pele. Just save space to say grace, what they say's and they say. To live life the right ways, that one wish like Ray J. Yeah, now I won't be the first to say that. You might leave on a hearse to get your worth today. That's a worthless fate, so let him curse away. Cause curses won't work like the 1st of May. Yeah, but before I end this verse, let me re-equate this. Add up all the greatness, subtract all the hate and multiply it with everyone till the chapter is done. But divide it with itself, so have a positive one.
No need to look from side to side. All you gotta do is hold your head up high. Reach for the sky. Reach for your dream. Keep in your mind. Believe from within. No need to look from side to side. All you gotta do is hold your head up high. Reach for the sky. Reach for your dream. Keep in your mind. You're doing what's right. When your life turns unexpectedly, don't you worry, baby. There's so much to see. It's actually alright to say it's okay. It's okay.
I look around and all I see are smiling faces, united races from all the beautiful places. This is a piece for the human soul and peace. Let's play a part, let's put our children's future at ease. Discover new oceans, don't be scared to lose the shore. Don't rest within four walls, go ahead and open that door. Tomorrow is all about summer days and blue skies. Never falter, you gotta dream and keep your eyes on the prize. Set the bar up high and give it a chase. Keep your head above water, navigate, life is a maze. Be floating with the stream, maneuver your ways. Reach up, start flying, coming up a better day. Time is on our side, make him draw the cards right. Stay strong, put your guards up, give it a good fight. One heart, one love, one planet, one family. Let's rise and give our world some lasting unity.